Well, well, well. I've got a bird in the house, and he's up there in the loft. Not sure when he flew in, but I've been feeding them, so I guess he slipped in when I had the door open for the pups. When I was sewing, I heard something above me, and I couldn't quite figure out what it was, and he flew by. But he's up there, and I'm hoping, I opened the door, so I'm hoping he will fly out. He's up in here somewhere. He's a little bitty bird. I'm hoping he'll come out. So far I've had a hummingbird in my car, and now I've got a bird in the house. Goodness. Come on, little bird. Like he understands what I'm saying. Come on. I've got the feed outside, so I was hoping he'd hear his friends and go on out. Much patience this will take. He probably thinks, ooh, what a nice warm spot. I don't know where he went. Where are you? Goodness. Hopefully more don't come in. There he is. There he is. Come on, little guy. See him. He's right there. Oh, goodness. I'm going to have to try to get him out. I'll update you guys. Adios.